Hi everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how does WhatsApp make money. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel future updates. WhatsApp is a free messenger service that is used by over 2 billion people around the world. Because it's free for consumers, it begs the question, how does WhatsApp make money? The Facebook subsidiary makes money through WhatsApp for Business and WhatsApp Pay. WhatsApp Basics. WhatsApp was founded in 2009 by Brian Acton and Jan Koum. It's a free secured messenger service that allows domestic and international communication among users on a secured network. It's currently headquartered in Menlo Park, California with Facebook. FB. Meta Platforms, Inc. as the parent company. Facebook acquired WhatsApp in 2014, making it the largest subsidiary of the company next to Instagram and Facebook Messenger. WhatsApp does not trade independently. WhatsApp business model. The product of WhatsApp is simple, a robust personal messaging service. How it makes money is a little different than many others in the arena. WhatsApp started as a freemium service, where users were able to send messages for free for the first year and then renew at an annual 99 cents fee. They have shifted from this business model and stayed away from in-app advertising. Instead, they make money through WhatsApp for Business and WhatsApp Pay. There are a number of competitors in the market, all who have different business models for revenue generation. Some of the top competitors are Line, Kakao, Kik, and Skype. While the service is free for consumers to use, businesses can sign up for WhatsApp for Business to use the platform for sales and support. The WhatsApp Business API is used by major brands such as Netflix, Uber, and Wish. It originally encouraged businesses to use the platform and provide quick responses. WhatsApp would charge businesses for delayed responses. So while the business could respond for free within 24 hours, it would be charged a fee for responses later than that. 2. WhatsApp Pay. WhatsApp Pay is a payment feature similar to PayPal. Users can send money to friends, family, and businesses for free. The party receiving the money is charged 3.99% per transaction. Like other money-sending services, this app connects to a linked bank account where the funds are taken from or deposited. This service is currently only available in India and Brazil on specific devices. You can't invest in WhatsApp on its own, but you can understand how the messenger giant makes money for its parent company, Facebook. WhatsApp is becoming a larger revenue source as it competes to maintain its market share on secure messenger services. End-to-end encryption controversy. WhatsApp, as well as other messaging providers, including Apple, have been in hot water with governments around the world after it was determined that terrorists used apps to communicate before and during attacks. Governments and counterterrorism agencies wanted the companies behind these apps to share the encryption key to gain access to messages sent and received by the terrorists. The companies, however, refused to oblige. This led to WhatsApp's adoption of end-to-end encryption, which prevents anyone, including WhatsApp, except the sender and receiver from gaining access to the data shared on the app. 17. The bottom line. WhatsApp has become one of the most popular messaging services in the world with only room to grow. Whether you believe that Meta overpaid for WhatsApp or not, the fact is that the app has a growing revenue stream with endless possibilities that will allow it to bring in more revenues over time. Facebook begins to leverage WhatsApp data. 2016 was an eventful full year for WhatsApp. After making WhatsApp free for its users, WhatsApp implemented end-to-end encryption in April 2016, which in simple terms meant nobody, not even WhatsApp, would be able to read the content of users' messages. The Facebook power grab finally came in the form of a WhatsApp privacy policy update in August 2016, informing users that some of their data would be shared with the parent company Facebook. Explaining why the privacy policy was being updated, WhatsApp wrote in a blog post, "By coordinating more with Facebook, we'll be able to do things like track basic metrics about how often people use our services and better fight spam on WhatsApp. And by connecting your phone number with Facebook's systems, Facebook can offer better friend suggestions and show you more relevant ads if you have an account with them. For example, you might see an ad from a company you already work with, rather than one from someone you've never heard of. You can learn more, including how to control the use of your data, here." With WhatsApp having operated independently for 2 years after the Facebook acquisition and with no plan of ads being displayed on WhatsApp, the privacy update move was more about Facebook trying to cash in on the acquisition and less about WhatsApp being able to track user metrics and fight spam. When Facebook acquired WhatsApp in 2014, not only were the founders promised that they could operate independently, Zuckerberg even assured the founders that they would have zero pressure on monetization in the next 5 years. However, the pressure to monetize came earlier than promised, leading to disagreements over how WhatsApp was to be monetized. While Facebook wanted to implement ads in WhatsApp, an app that had unequivocally been anti-ads, Brian proposed moving towards a metered user model, wherein users would be charged after a certain number of messages were used. Brian's proposal was rejected by Facebook, which led to him leaving in September 2017, without even waiting for his shares to vest, losing $850 million in the process. Jan Koum followed suit, leaving in April 2018, after waiting out his vesting period. So how does WhatsApp currently make money? WhatsApp currently primarily makes money through two sources: WhatsApp for Business and WhatsApp Pay. WhatsApp also generates indirect revenue from click to WhatsApp ads, which redirect users from Facebook to WhatsApp. WhatsApp has stayed away from in-app advertising since the time it abandoned its original freemium model. Let's have a look at both the current revenue sources of WhatsApp individually to understand them better. The WhatsApp Business app helps businesses serve customers on WhatsApp, with provisions to create product catalogs as well as provide customer support. While the Business app is free to use, WhatsApp monetizes the service through the WhatsApp for Business API. Only a month after the launch of the WhatsApp Business API, big tech companies like Netflix, Uber and Wish and 100 others had already started testing the service. In the early days of the WhatsApp for Business API, WhatsApp made money by charging registered businesses for slow replies. Businesses were allowed to respond to messages from users for free for up to 24 hours but are charged a fee per message for delayed responses, which varies by country. Thanks for watching.